Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Inventor 2026, how to edit title block. As example, I will create new drawings with this ANSI in millimeter. Click create. Now you can see we have this default title block. And if you want to edit this title block, you can go to the right menu in model. Click plus icons in your template, right click in field text, and you can click edit field text. Will be show for edit property field. Now if you want to edit, you can select, like I will click at this point, and you can click these icons to move into edit field. You can click in the project, so we have this a lot of option in here. Like you can set for the part number. Okay, I will set into 03. If you click apply, it will be show for the drawing number 03. For reference, you can go back again into this drawing I property. Okay, you can set reference revision number. Like we set into 01, click apply, it will be show for the revision number. To move into this option, approve MVG or key A, you can go to status tab and you can set like, check by. Okay, I will set into num. Apply, it will show num. Approve, you can click here. This is for the approve engineering, and this is for MVG. So I will set in here, move pasu, click apply again. If you done, you can close and then click OK. Okay, that's it for basic Inventor 2026, how to edit title block. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.